Hey everybody, this is Jay Peeps. I'm here with a 2003 Dodge Ram 1500, and my little redhead daughter here is helping me film, so if the angles aren't correct, we're working on it. Anyway, like I said, 2003 Dodge Ram 1500, 4.7 liter, just changing the PCV valve and doing a few other things. Seems to be confusion on where they are on the engine, but if you basically look over here, under the hood, there should be a label, and this one indicates exactly where it's at. The PCV valve shows the front of the vehicle, so that's where we're going down to right now. And if you look down here, here is the oil filler cap, and the PCV valve is this little black guy right here, sticking out. My fingers on it, and to remove this, people seem a little bit confused on what to do. So what you do is basically pull this there's a hose just over here, over where my glove is. This hose is disconnecting from this rubber one. We're gonna pull this black piece out. There we go, so that's off. Now this PCV valve actually just turns, you push on it, give it a bit of support, but it turns down 90 degrees. And then just pulls out. PCV valve is now out. We're just gonna basically remove the PCV valve from this piece of hose, put the new one back in, and we'll be back in a sec. Hey everybody, we're back. Anyway, we got the new PCV valve in here. I also forgot to mention that it's obviously easier if you remove the air box off the top. But anyway, to put this back in, it's basically the reverse. We're gonna stick this into the little hole there. And I should mention too, on here there's this little tab. Basically that's like a little cam lock. So it basically pushes in, and then when you turn it, it points downwards and locks itself into place. So here we go. We're gonna do this. Yeah, if you've got bigger hands, it can be a pain in the butt to get it in. So sometimes it's a little sticky to want to go in, so you're gonna have to push on it, and you'll feel a little click, and then turn it. And then we connect our hose back up to that pipe. And there we go. PCV valve is now installed. There's my little boo that was helping Cam. And we will catch you later.